Hello, today I am in Walmart and I have a few things that I need to actually get on my shopping list. But one of the things that I need is in the laundry detergent aisle. And I've decided to take what I call a different route. Store. So I'm looking for the laundry detergent aisle. What I normally purchase in the laundry aisle is, let's say, all detergent because it is for sensitive skin. I do get the Game, you call it dryer sheets because, again, it is for sensitive skin. But today, I am looking for laundry sanitizer. So we have approached the aisle, and believe it or not, here it is. Right here on the aisle. And what I like about the sanitizer is that it does clean your clothes, and it kills the bacteria in your clothes. And this one is from Lysol. We have different sizes available, different scents available. And it actually says that this one attacks odor, and it eliminates odor as well. Now, as you can see, this is a long aisle of laundry detergents on both sides. Any brands that you would like to purchase, it is right here. So I think the layout in this particular aisle is very nice. I'm looking up here. I also see laundry sanitizer for Clorox, and this is 0% bleach. Now, this one also says 0% bleach, so when you're looking at it, you won't have to worry about, or using it, you won't have to worry about bleach being in the actual product. So, while I think there's a great assortment of products, I'm particularly looking for this brand, which is Lysol. And so, I don't think there's anything that they could improve on my shopping trip. I kind of knew exactly where to find it. And I looked up by starting at the other end of the aisle, which it is where the sanitizing products are located. So today, I will purchase, I'm going to get the smaller of all, because I don't need it all the time. It's not like I'm, washing clothes from like an everyday thing. I normally like to do sanitizing, like if I've been out in the garden or something to that effect. So I would choose this particular one because it is the brand that I like, and it's actually in a nice small package because I don't use it every time I wash. Just to give you a glimpse of other things in this aisle. I'm gonna keep walking down. Because these are all the things that they offer in this aisle. But I guess I'm incorrect, though, that the sanitizing product is at the end. Doesn't look like it's anywhere in between. So this is what they offer today. And I'm not disappointed that it's only a couple of brands that I can choose from, because again, all of these brands are pretty good brands. Lysol, we all know, and Clorox, we all know as well. So again, I will be purchasing this small brand, which I selected off of the counter because it is going to be for me, for my use only. And I only use it when I am gardening outside. I don't need to use it on a daily basis or every time I wash clothes. So this ends my video for today.